Hello everyone, welcome to LFI Educates. Today we will start the chapter Material Changes. The first topic is acids and alkalis. You must have heard about acids, but do you know what acids are? Many things contain acids. There are acids in the food that we eat and drink as well. Acids have a sour, sharp, tangy taste. Lemons and lime are sour in taste because it contains citric acid. The acid in a lemon is not a strong acid. It is weak, therefore we are able to consume it without being burnt. Many fruits like oranges and apples are acidic, and food items like vinegar, tomato sauce, and cold drinks also have acid. It is advised by the doctor that excessive consumption of acidic food is not good for our health. There are some acids that are dangerous and strong. They are corrosive, which means they can dissolve or eat away other materials. We should always use proper safety gear while using these acids, as it will cause burn in our skin, and if we get it in our eyes, we can be blind. Some of the acids that we use in the school are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. They are mixed with water to make it weaker so that it is less dangerous. If we spill acid, then wash the area with lots of water, as it will dilute the acid. Alkalis are also like acids. We use many products that contain alkali. Products like cleaning liquids and soap are made using an alkali. Some alkalis are strong and can cause chemical burns, and some are weak, which is safe to use. Just like acids, we have to be careful while using strong alkali, as it is dangerous. Alkalis can also be mixed with water to make it weaker and safer to use. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and calcium hydroxide are some alkalis that are used in the laboratory. Acids and alkalis are chemical opposites. They can cancel each other out when they are mixed together. It means if we have an acid and an alkali, and if we mix them accordingly, then both the acid and the alkali will be weaker. Working safely with acids and alkalis. When you handle chemicals, you should stand up to work so that if you spill something, it does not spill onto you. Wear safety glasses so nothing gets into your eyes. Take the top of the bottle and place it upside down on the work surface so that it does not get acid into the surface or dirt into the acid. Replace the bottle top as soon as you finish using the bottle. This prevents spills and replacing the wrong top on the wrong bottle. If you visit your school laboratory, you will notice that most of these acids and alkalis are colorless liquid, just like water. So, we will not be able to say which one is an acid and which one is an alkali, just by looking at it. We can use an indicator to find out. An indicator is a substance that changes its color with acids and alkalis. For an acid, it will change to a different color, and if it is an alkali, it will change to a different color. So it becomes easy to tell between acids and alkalis. Indicators can be made from brightly colored berries, flowers, and other parts of plants. A litmus is a very common indicator used in laboratories. Litmus turns red in acids and blue in alkali. It turns purple when it is in a neutral substance. A neutral substance means it is neither acid nor alkali. A water is a neutral substance. A universal indicator shows how acidic or alkali a substance is. It can change to many different colors. By using the universal indicator, we can understand if the substance is a strong acid or an alkali, or if it is a weak acid or a weak alkali. The color chart for the universal indicator helps us to know the pH of the substance. If the pH is from 0 to 6, then it is an acid. 0 means a very strong acid, while 6 means weak acid. If the pH of the substance is 7, then it is a neutral substance. If the pH is from 8 to 14, then it is an alkali, where 14 is a strong alkali and 8 means weak alkali. So, according to this chart, we can know what type of substance it is using the universal indicator. The strength of acid and alkali is measured on the pH scale. I had told earlier that when we mix an acid and an alkali, it will cancel its power and become weaker. When we do this, the solution is becoming a neutral substance. This is called neutralization. When we mix an acid and an alkali, the pH of the alkali will come down because of the low pH of the acid. Similarly, the pH of the acid will increase because of the alkali. If we mix them slowly drop by drop, then we can make the mixture a neutral substance with pH 7. We will use a alkali and a universal indicator in a flask so that we can see the change in the color of the mixture, and we can know when the mixture is neutralized. The acid is dropped slowly drop by drop till the color of the indicator changes to green, which means pH 7. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. This acid gives the stomach the right conditions to digest our food. If the stomach produces too much acid, we will have indigestion. There are many medicines that can help. They are all alkalis and they neutralize the acid. Sometimes these medicines are also called antacids. There are millions of bacteria in our mouth. These bacteria feed on the food pieces left on our teeth. These bacteria produces acid when they feed. This acid damages our teeth and makes them decay. A toothpaste contains alkali and this helps to neutralize the acid. In some parts of the world, there are harmful chemicals in the air that make the rain acidic. This acid rain damages trees and changes the pH of the lakes, rivers and ponds. The plants and animals that live in the lakes cannot live in acidic condition. Some countries drop alkalis into these lakes to neutralize the acid. In some area, the soil is very acidic and plants do not grow well. Farmers spread lime on the soil to neutralize the acid so that plants can grow better. And lime is a alkali. This is all we have for today. Thank you and have a good day.